Today, we'll look at saving model templates to quickly establish your WSUD models. To do so, go to cleanstormwater.com.au, then log in or sign up. It's free. Once you're in the portal, enter your project location, and then select the suggestion, and then click Join Connor Online for WSUD models. Once you're in, establish your template. For example, if I do a lot of residential lots, I might want to set up a resi lot, simple one like this, roof to tank, to drain, driveway. You've got your rainwater tanks with indoor reuse for flushing, and a small bioretention there. Once you have your template set up, I'm gonna select the whole template, right click, and save the template here. I'm gonna name it, for example, Resi1. Descriptions, typical resi lots, and I'm gonna select a thumbnail so I can know what the template is. So I've got my resi logo there, click submit, and I have my template good to go. So I can use this in any project now. If I go to a different location, or if I load up a new project, I can just come to saved templates here, click on that one, and it's going to give me a list of all the templates I've done. So I can just click on the resi one, load the template, and now I have the typical lot set up like so. So this allows me to do a bunch of cool stuff. So if I'm doing one lot, that's fine. If I'm doing a 10 lot subdivision, I can increase all the areas. So instead of roof to tank, I would just say 10 um, 10 lots roof to tank. I'll increase the total area to 3,000 because that's 10 lots, and submit that, and now I have a model easily set up for 10 lots. Do the same for all the catchments, increase the treatment as required. um, or maybe if council needs me to do the lots individually, I can just copy one lot, paste, and then now I have multiple lots that I can work with, like so. The other thing we can do is model mixed developments. So, for example, if I have a development like this, I've got my commercial areas here, and then I've got some residential like so. I can just come to my templates, select my resi template, load that one up like so, um, adjust the positions, adjust the catchment areas, the treatment sizes, etc. And now I end up with something like this. Then I can quickly come back, get my commercial node, which I've saved previously for my commercial projects, load it up, and it's going to show me the commercial lots. And I'm just going to again adjust it to suit my plans, like so. So you see in my commercial lots, I've got tanks for rainwater reuse again, but instead now I have a large car park. So typically we'll use pit baskets. That's loaded here. And then for this template, I've chosen proprietary end of line, but depends on what you save. Obviously, in this case, I can just redirect if I'm going to have a single bioretention to treat both the commercial and mixed. Then what I can do is I'll just delete that note there, link all the commercial areas to that bioretention as well. And now you have the entire development set up. I'm just going to resize that bio again to capture the entire site, not just for one single lot. And now you have the full model built for the site. So there you have it. Easy way to set up models. Great for single lots, multiple lots, or even precinct scale, especially if you have stage one, stage two resi, and then you have a commercial zone, maybe an industrial zone. A good way to help you set up those. Just create custom templates beforehand, and you're good to go for all projects. Till next time.